In this video, we will learn how to install nodemon tool. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. To install nodemon, first we are going to use the command npm install with -g or -g flag and then nodemon. I'm installing nodemon as globally. Nodemon is a tool that helps develop Node.js based applications by automatically restoring the Node application when file changes in a directory are detected, such as we created a program in our other video app.js. If we make any changes to that code, then our app server will be started again. Let's see the code for that before we do install. So this is the code we have for our simple server. So if I modify some code inside this one, then the server will be restarted by nodemon automatically. We don't have to do manual restart. So need to go back to our terminal and install nodemon. And to install nodemon globally, we need a sudo to install as an admin, so we don't get any errors or file permission errors. Now we have nodemon installed, so I'm going to use nodemon instead of node to run our server app.js. We'll hit enter, and you can see our message over here starting with node app.js. So that our app is started, and I'm going to make some changes. And we also got that message server started. So I'm going to open it our code and modify it. Let's see over here, simple express server. I will remove this one and just print a hello world message, and just going to save it. And as we save that, you can see the server restarted automatically, so we don't need to restart our server whenever we modify our source. So this is a very useful tool for developers. We'll change this one again. Server is started, to server is up, and just going to save it, and let's see if it started again. File is saving, and now you can see it started again, and we should see message server is up. Here's the message server is up. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.